Police pursued a driver for traffic violations and a suspended license. With support from K9 and Air 1, they quickly coordinated to capture the suspect.
Everyone, 1026.
Police executed a precise pit maneuver, stopping the vehicle. The suspect fled but was quickly caught by a K9 unit. Drugs were found in the car, and he now faces multiple charges.
NYPD Highway Patrol, you are being recorded. You're doing 71 and a 50. License and registration, please. See your license and registration, please. Stop the car!
The man driving the Jeep Cherokee was stopped, pulled out a gun, and pointed it at the female officer, forcing her to fire in self-defense. He then sped off, leading to a tense chase. A quite dangerous maneuver. The female officer could have faced risks when trying to block the front of the suspect's vehicle. What do you think about this approach?
Stop the car and don't be stupid. Stop the car! Stop the fucking car! Stop the fucking car! Stop the car! You're not smart! I'm trying to stop a vehicle. He just rear-ended me. I'm eastbound on the belt, approaching Bay 8th, and he's refusing to stop. We're approaching Cropsey. I'm eastbound Central.
After a tense chase, two officers were able to block the suspect's car. A shootout ensued, and the suspect was shot and later died at the hospital despite being treated.
He's stuck in traffic at 160th and Canyon. I'm trying to get him out.
The vehicle stuck in traffic, 160th and Canyon.
Get out of the car!
He just ran over my foot.
Get out of the car! Stop! Stop! Stop!
The chase erupted when the suspect recklessly attacked, running over an officer's foot. Police immediately called for backup, determined to capture him. From fleeing to causing an accident, he further escalated the chaos.
Pulled into the Pacific Pride parking lot, 1045.
Whoever's behind me, start calling it.
Reason course number 2. I'll call it. We're going through the business district. We're going to pop back out on 160 and something. Reason is coming.
He's going to head towards 160 and try to get sticks out.
376 has eastbound on 160 and 62nd Avenue. Sticks out. We're heading northbound at 160 right now. Received is heading eastbound. Morning, southbound, 62nd. Positive contact with the stick. Positive contact with the stick.
They're getting on a motorcycle.
The suspect stopped his car, hijacked a motorcycle, and fled, but was subdued by police gunfire. After receiving first aid, he was taken to the hospital and will be held accountable for his reckless actions. The driver was speeding at 90 miles per hour on a side road, overtaking an oncoming vehicle and narrowly missing a pedestrian. The police recognized the danger and decided to follow.
Miles an hour. I'm going to go medium risks into the 30s. I'm going to stay at medium risk for the 30s, just he's on the wrong side of the bend. Approaching the T-junction, stand by. It's left, left, left towards Wellington. Down to low risk. Medium risk for the overtake oncoming vehicle.
Bowser didn't stop, continuing at nearly 90 miles per hour, driving onto the sidewalk and crashing into a police car. Despite the damage to the Bentley, he maintained a high speed.
Crash.
Yeah, it's a crash with one of our traffic cars. It's going to be a decamp here, Ellie, I think.
He's doing something. Tell him where we are.
Yeah, he's gone left into the industrial estate. He's got substantial damage to his vehicle. He's struggling to keep control of it. Approaching the roundabout, he's right down on his speed now, Elliot, to 30 miles an hour. He's got substantial damage. He's gone right into the industrial estate. This is going to be a decamp, Elliot. Can we start getting units here?
Bowser abandoned the car, ran through a field, and was tasered. He was found under the influence of alcohol and drugs. Bowser was sentenced to 18 months in prison and had his license revoked for 45 months.
I got the street blocked off. No way out.
Police pursued a wanted Hummer as the suspect accelerated, rammed a patrol car, and caused a collision. After speeding onto the highway, the suspect lost control and crashed into a telephone pole. The suspect was arrested, taken for treatment, and now faces multiple charges.
You're not going anywhere. I got the street blocked. Yep, she's taking off, but she's blocked in. She's hitting my cruiser. Oh my God. She's ramming my cruiser on Rutledge. Stop! There's nowhere for you to go! Stop! Stop! There's nowhere for you to go! Stop! 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 She's ramming my cruiser. Stop! Send me units quick. Stop! 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 Put it in park! Cut it out! Cut it out! Alright, taking off on these Main Street.
This is not a drill. It's a heart-stopping chase with a dangerous fugitive. He races wildly, weaving through heavy traffic. Despite a pit maneuver and a tightening perimeter, he recklessly fights to escape, determined to keep the police at bay.
2007 Saturn, SI2, copy. Also has a felony CFC mark as well. Copy, 1 tweet back the channels. Keep the line on it. It looks like they're pursuing it. Yes, please. The service only fixed. Sure. Yeah, LTAC 1 and good sticks. They just drove the 99th. Copy. And it looks like it's going to continue south. Good. Those were 25 dead. You change the research. You can look good. That's one. This is Bob Sherrill. I will be assisting.
Despite the tightening perimeter, he desperately hit the gas, searching for an escape through the thick formation of police vehicles. But his chances of getting away were zero. The outcome was inevitable.